can get you. Come on, my brother, get in the car. All right, my brother, that blood clot been at the place. And I've been following him for a time, see? Me think him next up at Pegorino. We're gonna follow him there, see?
Thank you, both of you. But I do not think this is the place for you, Roman. This is too dangerous.
You are my cousin, Nico, and Kate died at my wedding. I'm helping you.
Rot it, see him there? You have to stick to him, my brother.
Fuck, we got a tail. Better lose this piece of shit on the way back to the peg. I don't want to be late.
How do you know he's going back to Pegorino?
He's been running around town like an endless chicken in a rasta. Picking up shit in desperate.
There's nowhere left for these guys to go. The whole city wants them dead now.
Well, I guess I'll be doing the whole city a favor when I kill Pegorino then. The fool thought he could be a big player.
This man will lead us there. We'll get him, cousin, I assure you.
See him, brethren, and I'll be after him. And then know where boy I gonna live another day upon this earth. See? It's a dead man. Dead man. Fuck with the wrong rasta and thing.
This, he will realize soon enough.
See you next time around. Good journey.
Are you trying to kill me now?
Where the fuck is this guy going?
Easy, my brother. He's taking us to Pegorino. We need to chill.
I'm not fucking chill. We're speeding down the highway at who knows how fast. Cars are coming toward us. People are shooting at us. How can you be chill? You've been smoking too much, Jacob. Whatever chilled is, this is not it.
You said you wanted to help, Roman. You said you wanted to give Pegorino payback, just as much as I did.
I did. I do want to, but, you know, I don't want to die. I have a wife to think about now.
I've got nobody now.
That's not true, blood. You got Iron Roman, see? Roman just scared and thing. You don't mean what him saying. We're going to mash up this rascal. Mash him up good. See? Roman, that's what you're feeling, don't you?
Sure. That's what I'm feeling. Nico, I want to get this guy. I just don't think we want to take any unnecessary risks while we're doing that.
Roman, the last thing I want is to lose you as well as Kate. I can't imagine how I'd feel if I lost you today. But Roman, I will not let this piece of shit go. He is taking us back to Jimmy Pegorino.
Calm down!
He cannot go much further. We must reach Pegorino soon.
At least we're seeing some of Alderney. I don't normally come this side of the West River.
See, Roman. Don't come on this ground neither and thing. It's a different city from the rest of Liberty. True?
I am not taking you on some tourist sightseeing tour. We're chasing a scumbag back to his boss. Then we're going to make that shithead pay for what he did to Kate. Understand?
Sure, cousin, sure. Eyes to the front, mind on the job at hand and all that shit.
He's going to stop swinging on Nico. Me and from the sauces that Pegorino, they might be hiding in the north of Alderney somewhere.
Okay, we're making some progress then. We will keep on this guy, and hopefully he won't fucking kill us or crash before he leads us to Pegorino. I'm about ready to see that particular moron.
Yeah, me too.
plan, Nico.
Jacob, you and Roman stay back. I'm going in to get Pegorino.
Cousin, me and Jacob are here to help you.
What? You want to get this grass lad going on, Nico?
Jacob, the best way to
You motherfucker! Don't think for a second that this was anyone's fault but your own! You could have worked with me and everything would have been gravy!
I wanted out, and you killed someone I cared about. It's over for you now, Jimmy.
Don't think I don't know how to fight! Get that immigrant shit!
You like?
Will someone get rid of this dickhead already?
Any last words before we blow the brains out? Suck it up and stay down.
Please! I'm a sick man already!
Pegorino! You're mine! You're going to stop me from killing Jimmy P.
Fuck off! How you gonna get by in this country if you ain't gonna go after the big money?
I'll swim if I have to. Yeah!
She looked like Bruce Lee!
Couldn't you have killed me, you dumb shit?
You know what? These days every fucker has a tattoo. Too many fruitcakes tattoo now. People who think they're fucking artists instead of tattoos.
Why didn't you just hit me instead?
Why do I live in there some shit? Liberty City, you hear me? It's
Not without me, you're not. She didn't do anything to you.
and you offered some gas just to pass the time away. You ever off gas, Liberty City? Man, I could use some fucking beer bombs right now. That's what I'm talking about.
Fuck you, Pegorino!
I'm a peasant! Oh, Pico! Get up here! Come on, NB! You can do it!
Nico, you make it Rasta.
No thanks to you. You tried to ditch me?
Me know you find a way, my brethren. Take control of this thing. You're better at driving than me.
Okay, let's get this guy. I smell his blood. Now it is only a matter. Hold on!
think I don't know how to fight? I'd clip that bitch again if I had the chance! Your problem is you like killing too much! Shit!
I told you to leave me alone.
I give the orders here! Me!
You're not looking so good there, Jimmy.
Screw you!
What the fuck did she ever do to you?
I wanted you, you immigrant dipshit!
Big talk. You wanna know something funny?
Not really.
The commission, the old families. I know some of those guys. And they thought you were a fat fucking joke.
Whatever.
A joke!
Cousin!
Yeah,
You did it.
really? I don't know. What did I do?
But we're done. Now we can start making money. Freely.
I suppose so.
We won, man. We won!